Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a common dilemma faced by many Form 4 leavers who want to pursue a career in tech. With so many courses available, it's easy to get overwhelmed and confused about which one to choose. But fear not, we are here to help. I'm so happy to see you all here today. In this video, we'll be talking about Form 4 leavers who are stuck on which course to take in tech and why. So if you're a leaver yourself, or just interested in the world of tech, this video is meant for you. Number 1 is computer science. Computer science is one of the most popular courses in tech, and for a good reason. It covers all the basics of computer hardware and software, data structures, and algorithms. This course will teach you how to code and develop software applications, which is in huge demand in the job market. Number 2, we have web development course. Web development is another popular course that focuses on creating websites and web applications. It's a more practical course that involves learning various programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're interested in creating websites and web apps from scratch, this course is perfect for you. The next tech course is data science. Data science is a relatively new field that is gaining popularity quickly. It's all about analyzing and interpreting large sets of data to make informed decisions. This course involves learning programming languages like Python, R, and SQL, and using various tools and techniques to analyze data. Lastly, we have the cybersecurity course. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. This course focuses on how to protect computer systems, networks, and sensitive data from cyber attacks. If you're interested in ethical hacking, network security, and risk management, this course is perfect for you. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we have new tech videos.